I just got a written order for the patient Jack Incredible. He came in with complaining of right ear pain and left eye pain. Dr. Who has prescribed an eye drop and an ear drop. I'm going to check them all and make sure that it's all correct, and then I will go and talk to my patient. Going into the MAR. So I have an optic drop, yep, one drop, and then I have the ear drop, yep, and it's for today and for now, and signed by Dr. Who. Okay, I'm going to go introduce myself to the patient and the kid's mom and let them know what's going on, okay? Pull the curtain. Hi, Jack. How you feeling? Yeah, you have an owie. Alright, well, we're going to take care of that today, okay? Alright, can you tell me your name and date of birth? Okay. Incredible Jack? Okay. What's your date of birth? Wow, do you get a lot of presents at Christmas time? Yeah, that's cool. Okay, and what's your allergy? Peanut butter? Okay. Wow, we sure don't give you any of that. Okay, so Mom, it does look like he has otis media, which in his right ear, it's just an ear infection, really common in kids. So Dr. Who has prescribed an ear drop, and so that's going to help get rid of that pain. And then in his left eye, it looks like he does have a little bit of pink eye, so the doctor prescribed an eye drop medication for that as well. You're going to use this every day just to help him clear out the infection. I'll show you how to do it, but we're going to have him lay on his left side in Mom's lap, if that's okay, Jack. And then it'll go really quickly, and then we'll move on to the eye, and I'll show you how to do that as well. Okay? Do you have any questions for me? No? Okay. So, one thing to point out, pink eye is very contagious, alright? So, you're going to be giving him the eye drops at home, so just make sure that you are washing your hands really good. Don't touch anything till you wash your hands again. If you have gloves at home, that's great. And then throw away anything that you use and wipe it down. Clean surfaces. And then his sheets and pillowcases, you're going to want to wash that and get that all cleaned up. Okay? But I'll be back in a couple minutes, okay, with the medication. Any other questions before I go? No? Okay. Here's the collie and the water, and I'll be right back, okay? Hang in there, Jack. Alright, so now that I've talked to my patient, I'm going to go back into the MAR and pull the eye drop and the ear drop. I'm going to need gloves and the drops. Okay, so I have documented that I got it. It's the optic drops and then the ear drops, both timestamped for now and for today by Dr. Who, and the patient is Jack Incredible. I'm going to go back into my room. Hi, Jack. Still doing okay? Alright. I'm going to sign in here. We'll get you started. Let me just scan your wristband. Can you tell me one more time your name and date of birth? Okay. Good. And then what's your allergies to? Peanut butter. Okay. I'm going to scan that. After I scan wristband, I'm going to sanitize my hand. Okay, so Mom, we're going to start with the ear and then work our way up to the eye, since I did tell you that eye is more contagious than the ear would be. So I'm just going to put on some gloves here. So we're putting it into his right ear, so I'm going to have you lay onto your left side. Okay. Put this cap on the tissue. Alright, Jack. So we're gonna have you lay on one side. It shouldn't hurt, okay? It's gonna be okay. Just think about all the ice cream you get. So I'm putting the one drop in there. Good job, Jack. Okay. And pull down the ear. Backwards. Back. Alright. Good job, Jack. Alright. Now we're going to do your eye now, okay? I'm going to put a tissue here. It's going to go into your left eye, so I'm going to put it right here, alright? You want to hold that for me? Okay. And then I'm just going to have you lean back and mouse. Flat. Alright, good job, okay? This one might sting a little bit, but won't last long, okay? Alright. Good job, Jack. Alright. Gonna throw that away. Take off my gloves. Sanitize my hands. Okay, Jack. Do you need anything else? Okay, Mom, do you have any questions about how you do that? Okay. I'm just going to document that I gave that medication. If there are any questions or concerns that you do have, just let us know, okay? But the doctor will prescribe that for you to go home with, okay? Alright. Good job, Jack. You did great. Here's your pellet and your water. I'll be back to check in on you guys in a little bit, okay? Alright, if you guys have any questions or concerns in the meantime, please don't hesitate to call. Alright? Okay. Thank you.